What's up, guys? I'm here with a 2011 Jeep Wrangler Sport. The temperature's running good, but I've changed the alternator already. I'm getting that flashing lightning bolt, and I'm also getting the traction control light, an airbag light, and from time to time some other lights will come on. Right now it's running pretty smooth, but usually it'll start misfiring and shaking really bad, like if there's a jump in the arc in the spark plug. But this is an ECU issue or ECU problem, and there's companies on eBay that refurbish ECU. So you take your ECU out, you send it to them, and for about $150 to anywhere from $350 to $400, depending on which company does it. Usually go with one of the ones on eBay. They'll refurbish it for you and send it back to you. I'll make another video when I get my ECU in and let you guys know if that fixed the issue for sure or not. Please like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you so much, and have a blessed day and do something kind.